Hello, friend. Welcome back. In this previous section, I have covered actually how to create a page actually layout, completed actually UI layout design, and now this is the time to make the CRUD operation actually insert the data of the courses table. So all of things you will be understand. Here is a lot of field I have to include in here. Here is the course name, slash, course title, course category, subcategory, image, description, video URL, course level, certificate, selling price, course prerequisite, course goal. Actually, here is the course goal. Okay, so this course goal, we need a different table actually. So that's why we need to make model and also take migration command the migration action. But before one things, I just skip the course goal for initially. Our main goal will be the add the course data. Actually, I first of all I want to insert this, and after completing the inserting process, then I want to make handle about how to manage course goal. So I will show that why course goal is important and necessary, and which place actually I have to implement in here. So now go to VS Code and start should take action. Now this is a VS Code. Here is the file. First, initially all of this remove this file actually. Just fresh. Our main work is course controller and category controller also be needed. Because of that, here look at this. We have some similar process about the CRUD operation against the service initialize. Already you know that how the service actually came in here, and this is the constructor. But I will humble request for you just manage the playlist step by step for keep focus, and that you can easily understand. Otherwise, if you miss any specific video, you can't understand. So better you manage the sequence. So category service, not a category service, it will be the course service. Definitely course service. And also the course service. Here is the course service, and also this service is initializing here, although we have not created any services, so don't worry. Here is the course service. Now go to the service folder, model repository. This is the services. So better, oh, not a folder, oh shit, it will be file. Okay, and just copy similar things, and this service will be the add in here. Here category service, first of all you implement this class. Okay, course service, this is a repository, will be the course repository. Course repository, protected category repository, not course repository. and here zip course. I just place it and whatever it, and after completing this, and we also change for this. And now to make a course repository and what is service, and this is a repository, and better some create a course repository. What's it? And now this is a copy, and see here. Initially, this some issue will be save course, so better here some say not a save category or save course and update course. I think this is the, and also here what's the update category, and just update course. Just initialize primarily. Actually, a lot of work to needed here. Look at this, our store, okay, and this store will be manage all of these things. So here is a category controller. Better just here, yes, and just put in here, but yes, category service, no course service. Okay, and okay, and now request will be needed. Okay, you know that all of this time we have used in here custom request. So better to make a command PHP design make request course request. Okay, what's happened? Yes, it's created, but need to, but take to little bit of time. So return will be true. Okay, and lots of work will be needed here. So better we bring the data step by step. Because of that, you know that a lot of data will be needed in here. So now first of all, just category id, and also make these rules for here. Initially it's important, course ID, and it will be put in the similar way. Because of that, you know that this will be needed for when update the data, because here look at that, and this is the category request, not a category request. Oh yeah, it's a course controller. And now here we put some course request. Okay, the same course request you I will be here in here, and also it's apply for update. Okay, and this is a here update. So here, and that's why, because of that, the same course request I will be applied for student update. So this is important for course ID. Because of that, you define for the when you apply in store, and when you apply update, actually, to make difference. Okay, create a different and manage when manage action is store purpose, and when manage update purpose, actually. So better, now bring, now keep in here for subcategory id, and this is the required. It will be integer exist subcategories id. So definitely this data will be exist in the database, otherwise it will be not. And this is the instructor id, and definitely it will be the same for exist user model. Okay, now course image. Here just 2048, maximum 2 MB for this course image. And you can, if you want, so you just max will be removed, but better just for database manage purpose, I just keep it. And now will be the course title. This is the course title. My record will be string, and you just take course name. Also, you manage course name, and this is the course name slug. So course name slug, and here is a course name slug nullable, course name slug, and look at this. Look at this. This is this course name slug. You will be take here in unique, but when you data is stored, it will work. But when you update, this slug is already stored in the database. But how to manage this? Manages course ID, and here is apply here. Otherwise, if you remove this course ID, and this is not work. You can, if you want, you can test it, and you will understand, actually. Now this is the description. Here the description. So video URL. Yeah, this is the label. Here is the resources. Nullable string max. Actually, lots of field. This is the most critical section of the handle course data in this project, actually. Next project will be Monostruck WhatsApp clone, and I put lots of effort in there. So this course I will be published in this month that I planned. So selling price requiring integer minimum zero, and discount price. So Here is this. This is a LT, and discount should not exceed the selling price. This is the condition I have to manage here. Because of that, selling price is always below for discount price. Sorry, discount price always below the selling price. So here is the prerequisites. Yeah, and this is the best seller. So nullable and in yes or no. And in here, previously when I managed the script about this checkbox, you have to show it. So this is the highest rated. Yes. And I also keep course goal, but initially I just hide this. Because of that, I work in this course goal out later. Okay. So here request will be done. Okay. Now this is the course controller here. We just passing about the whole things. Okay.